Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert tree map in MS World. So very easily you can insert tree map in MS World. So firstly you need to click on insert. You see here this insert tab. So just click on it and now click on chart, and this all charts you find this option, this tree map. You find this chart tree map. So just click on it. Now click on OK. Select this one and click on OK. As you can see, this will be very easily inserted. And here you see this, open this Excel file. You can customize it using this file. So this way you can very easily insert this tree map chart in MS World. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.